If you're an astronomy enthusiast, September end will be an exciting time. That's because the biggest planet in the solar system will be at its closest to Earth in the last 59 years as it reaches its opposition. From the viewpoint of Earth's surface, an opposition happens when an astronomical object rises in the east as the sun sets in the west, placing the object and the sun on opposite sides of Earth. According to NASA, Jupiter's opposition occurs every 13 months, making the planet appear larger and brighter than any other time of the year. But that's not all. Jupiter will also make its closest approach to Earth in the last 59 years. This happens because Earth and Jupiter do not orbit the Sun in perfect circles, meaning the planets will pass each other at different distances throughout the year. Jupiter's closest approach to Earth rarely coincides with opposition, which means this year's views will be extraordinary. At its closest approach, Jupiter will be approximately 367 million miles, or 590 million kilometers from Earth, about the same distance it was in 1963. The massive planet is about 600 million miles or 965 million kilometers away from Earth at its farthest point. When a superior planet reaches its opposition, it rises in the east at sunset, reaches its highest point in the sky around midnight, and sets in the west at dawn. So Jupiter will shine brightly throughout the night, well up in the night sky. Jupiter is the brightest planet in the sky after Venus, as seen from the Earth. Since Venus is only visible in the morning or evening skies, Jupiter will be the brightest speck of light you'll see in the night sky. The gas giant has 79 confirmed moons orbiting it, and 4 of them can be easily seen through a modest telescope or even a pair of binoculars. They're known as the Galilean Moons, named after Galileo Galilei, who first discovered them in the 17th century. With good binoculars, the banding of Jupiter and 3 to 4 Galilean moons should be easily visible. To see Jupiter's great red spot and bands in more detail, a 4-inch or larger telescope and some filters in the green to blue range would enhance the visibility of these features. In binoculars or a telescope, the Galilean satellites should appear as bright dots on either side of Jupiter during opposition. An ideal viewing location will be at a high elevation in a dark and dry area. The view should be great for a few days before and after September 26th. So it would be best if you took advantage of good weather on either side of this date to take in sight. If you look around in the night sky, you should be able to see Saturn. The ringed planet reached its opposition about a month ago and is slightly fainted. Saturn rises before Jupiter at dusk and reaches its highest point in the southern sky around midnight. It's fairly bright and can be easily seen with the naked eye. A telescopic view can reveal the beautiful rings of the planet. As far as other planets are concerned, Mercury and Venus are still emerging from behind the Sun. As a result, they will remain hidden in its glare for the next few days. Mars rises around an hour before midnight and can be easily seen with unaided eyes. The red planet will reach its opposition on December 8, 2022. Hence, as days pass by, its distance from the Earth will decrease and its apparent brightness will increase. Close to Mars lies Uranus at an apparent magnitude of 5.8. Neptune was at opposition on September 17th, which means it's the best time of year to see the ice giant. However, Uranus and Neptune can only be seen through a telescope or a pair of binoculars. The upcoming month is also going to be an exciting one for sky gazers. October has as many as 7 meteor showers in its store, and the most significant one is the Orionid Meteor shower, which peaks around October 22nd. Besides that, observers in parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, and Greenland can witness a partial solar eclipse. We'll cover the details in our monthly video of astronomical events. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future astronomical events.